Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to tell you guys about something that I'm planning on doing and I'm actually started doing. It's selling my stuff for absolutely cheap. For example, I have 3 DYS Mars motors. One of them is broken, so it's like 4 in total. One is broken. That I'm gonna sell them for like what, 20 bucks all for all of them, 20-30 bucks for all of them. And ESCs, if it costs 10 bucks and I just tested it and I didn't use it, I'll sell it for like 5 bucks. You know, I'm just gonna be selling all kinds of crazy stuff here. I do have plenty of stuff that I really need to support the channel. And I'm making a place where I could sell some of my pre-built quads. Nothing too expensive at it, just to support the channel, the bare minimum, support the channel. And also some of my creations. So for example, the DroneMesh split seine. I do have another 5-inch quadcopter coming. It's pretty insane, but it has some awesome features. We'll get into that later on. But yeah, so how do you enter? Because it's first come first serve basis. So basically I don't have like a trillion trillion DYS Mars motors. I just have like one bundle of DYS Mars motor. I have some ESCs. I even have some brand new flight controllers, so that I might even sell. So the way to do this is to go to the website, which is shop.dronemesh.com. Scroll down, go to the newsletter. Right here, sign up. And it's very important to sign up here because this is where you'll know. I'll send an email out saying in 5 hours I'll have, you know, for example, just a Maytag F405, some, I don't know, some ESCs and some motors and some drones. And obviously it's just going to be one of each, really. So I mean, the motors will be like a set of 4, obviously. And I'll tell you if one of them is broken or they've just been used, or if, you know, I won't sell something that's completely broken, obviously, but stuff that I've just used and is just going to sit there and collect dust. Goggles, transmitters, receivers, everything, anything I have. So I'm going to start doing that here. I'll probably release 5 products every once in a while, like every couple days or so. So it's also good to keep checking back. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna be putting my things that if I ever design anything else, I'll be putting it here also. So there'll just be some random cool stuff here. And I still have some split seines left. Some of the people that reserved did not go through with it, or they're just, I don't know if they are, but yeah, I still have about, maybe now, like we could say around 20-ish left. So if anyone wants, let me know before they all go out. You can go ahead and just purchase it from here. Everything is set up. Take PayPal, so you could just go ahead and do that. Now, another recommendation: once you sign up for the newsletter, your address and all your information is not going to be there. So let's just say you got the email and then you went to go buy it, and once you went to go buy it, it says you still have to put your information in, and then next thing you know, someone else bought it before you. So I highly recommend you just go and you just create an account. As soon as you come here, just create an account, because creating an account is different than a newsletter. So you have to subscribe to the newsletter and create an account. So you'll end up having to create an account once you're going to purchase one, anyway, anything. So I highly recommend you do that, so you save yourself some time and you could possibly get whatever I posted. And this is a way also, you know, to give back to the community. I'm not going to sell it for exactly how much I bought it, obviously. I'm going to try to do everything at least like 50% off, sometimes even more. So that's the whole idea. And it should be pretty fun, pretty interesting. I have a couple ideas here that I'll be adding, and you can just keep coming back and checking up here and seeing what else there could be here also. So that'll be pretty fun, pretty interesting. And well, that's really it. That's all I have to say in this video. So I really hope you guys are gonna like this idea. I have a ton of things. I'll try to do every couple days. I'll put in like 5 products or something, and it's just gonna be, I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. So it's a very good way to get something for very cheap, and I'll make sure the product is working. Obviously, I'll let you know, like, okay, 2 are working, 1 maybe not working. So, and yeah, and that's how it'll work. So it'll be very clearly stated, and I'll test it on my testing stand, thrust stand, and oscilloscopes, and I'll make sure things are running before I go ahead and say they're either running or not running. So yeah, so everything will just be clear for everybody. And well, that's really it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's something different, I know, but I do have a lot of ideas here. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome, hopefully. So this is the place where you can go check out what I have for sale now. And well, that's concluded for this video, guys, and I will see you next time. See you guys, take care.